governor was our mother and answer number. She had me Europe on a talk call and chat on herself. I come over here, look, that's skill. That's a certificate to good target around. So, I'm down one. No, Jim will children charge you. I should know you. Was it? The Lumu, yes, I go. I'm more. But you yes, I don't know why. Don't be like Olumfe. No, it's not you. It's your name, Olumfe.
Just come and everything will finish.
Don't be like Olumfe. Yes, guys, thank you for joining. I'm here taking care of myself. Yes, sir. At least I want to look fresh so that only time I'm doing my videos, I'll look more fresher. Abby? This is the lady that's doing the job. Yeah. So she's taking care of my fingernails so that I will not hide myself when I want to. I will not hide my finger. At least when I'm talking, I'll be just expressing myself. So I'm going to do adverts for them, then put online so that YouTube will come. Book a flight, come to Benue State, Nigeria, to come and do your pedicure, medicure, all the curable that can be cured. You do facials, yeah?
No, we don't do facials.
Okay. But all the curable, medicure, pedicure, foot washer, is it foot wash?
Foot wash, herbal foot wash.
Foot wash, herbal foot wash. How do they do that herbal foot wash?
You just use some herbs to wash your feet. So your feet are clean.
You see, this one is normal foot wash. This one is not herbal because there's no leaves inside. We don't have leaves. So having a nice time here. Thank you for joining me at Empress's Affairs. So all the affairs that has to do with Empresses, just come here. They will do you well. Have you noticed so?
And so,
You see?
all our customers are VIPs.
Yeah. You see, they have a nice chair. You know? Look at this chair. When you sit here and they are doing this thing to you, you just forget every sorrow and then face the enjoyment. You can even sleep. Oh, see, I can sleep.
Of course.
Victor, good morning. Victor, good morning. How are you? Thank you for joining. So now does this thing serve as massage? Is it massaging me too?
No, yes, I'll be the one giving you massage. The one down, the one you're soaking your leg in.
I think it serves as massage. Thank you so much. Well, you're welcome to my channel because the way my legs is doing me brrrr, I'm having a treat to before I go and make my video. On my next video, I'll give you a shout out. Have you?
Of course.
Sometimes you need to take care of yourself because some people, they don't cut their nails, they don't brush, they don't They don't do what again?
Don't spray perfume.
They don't spray perfume.
Very important.
They don't use their roll-on. You know, they just it's
Put
no
their
good.
guardian in there to avoid them. Why?
So you have to take good care of yourself.
You know things are hard.
Things are hard, but you know, when I was in Lagos, sometimes I don't have money to buy roll-on. That time roll-on was it 300 or 250? I don't know. Maybe 400. Around 300. You know what I'll do? I'll go and cut this lemon. Is it lemon? Be lime.
Lemongrass.
No, lime now.
Lime.
Lime orange.
Okay.
You know, use that thing, put in your, just rub it around your armpits.
Are you serious?
For 24 hours. You not hear.
Jesus. Natural.
Try it though. Just try it.
The back of the lime.
No, the normal, the juice.
The juice of the orange.
Yes.
Wow.
Just cut it. Apply in your armpit. You not hear anything.
Wow. Okay.
That's what I normally do. Sometimes I'll buy for 100 naira, use for like maybe 2 weeks or 1 week.
Wow. It's your fan party, not the waste.
No, it's just the way to.
Self-maintain.
So sometimes, even if you don't have money to buy roll-on, just go and buy line, or even plug the one behind at your backyard. Cut it, apply, and you'll be looking fresh.
You will not die.
You'll not die. That one is even natural. Sometimes I will even to buy belts. That's a problem. So I will use rope, and use tie on my jeans. Then put my shirts. Wear my one shoe. Nobody will know. So all this thing, if you don't tell you will not know. So you must not have plenty money before you look good. At least the little you have, make use of it. Do you understand? Yes, sir. So this one is for what? Is to make it shine?
Yeah, to make it look clean.
Yeah. To do this fine boy too is not easy. They are sponsoring my next video, so.
Next time, your madam,
Oh, she should come here.
of course, we
Hey.
offer treatments too.
Hey, see free
You know,
treatment.
easy. Give us our first boy. God. It's not easy.
Madam, in case if you are watching this video, anytime you are in Boko, free spa. I be going spa. Yeah?
Nail treatments, anything she wants, because she can pick 2 treatments.
All right. So, madam, anytime you are in Boko, Empress's affairs got you covered.
It's not easy. She try.
You're done. So, can I stand up?
Yeah. Just allow me.
Oh,
Don't stand up yet. Left to left.
let's know where you're watching us from.
God, Jesus.
If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
I think I'm not seeing one of these things. Yeah, you got the code. Yeah.
Welcome guys, Let me put my camera like this so that people will see me.
I'm not using it, but look at you singing. This one clearly.
Yes, it's showing. Everybody's seeing me. Welcome guys, welcome. Please subscribe, like, share, and then comment. Let me know where you're watching me from. I'm just doing my, is this one pedicure or medicure? Which is medicure?
Pedicure and manicure.
What is it? Oh, it's manicure. I thought it's pedicure. Oh, so this one is pedicure.
Yeah.
So what is manicure?
Manicure.
Is where they take care of your nails?
Yes.
Oh, that's
The
manicure.
one I just
Okay, this is manicure. Okay, I'm doing manicure and pedicure. Hey, Chai. Now, wow. Enjoyment good though.
What was that first thing you even said?
I said medicure. I said medicure. Oh, it's pedi. Oh, pedi.
Penny and money.
Okay, pedi and money. Okay, money.
You
Manicure.
like money?
Oh, you like money?
Manicure.
Oh, manicure. That's nice. Pedicure, manicure. So I'm doing my pedi and manicure. And I'm doing my hand washing. Okay. So what?
Maybe I like this thing that they.
I'm doing pedicure.
Smooth as fuck.
Pedi. The ground has finished. Like, I need to eat some. No. You want to give me granite?
Yeah.
Mommy, no. Let me be eating and.
Who can go buy apple come and beg? For that one, please. What is
How can you nyam kaya like?
Nyam why nyam.
She has shoe.
No, like the woman first of all, you're looking for two food.
Is it tea goat?
See what?
Tea goat.
You have same goat, you know the same goat.
You don't know tea
No,
goat?
I don't know. Give me my dad and then he didn't see.
Do they have bear?
Eh?
Back bear?
Aqua is good now.
Your uncle is
I don't
good
know
now.
what Aqua is.
Do they have uncle bear?
They have one story.
Oh, they have uncle. Anyway, uncle is good.
Aqua is a good. I bet that one plenty times.
Good morning, man. I'm doing my manicure.
Pedicure, manicure.
Okay, I'm doing my manicure and pedicure. You know, we that we are bush people. I'm doing my manicure and pedicure.
And your legs out.
Nothing they concern men with all these things. I don't know why. Except all the-
When I was doing this is when I was doing my wedding.
Can you imagine?
That was when they cleaned my legs though.
Yeah.
Mommy Gloria, good morning, man. How is the family? I'm not back, oh. When I'm back, I will let you know. I'm still at home. You know this family thing. Manicure, okay, manicure. Not gonna be saying pedicure or manicure.
You're not going to this
What?
album for our baby.
But no, is there anything like medicure?
Medicare. I don't know, but I think it's a word.
And it should be a medicure.
Be a word,
A
yeah.
medicine that can cure you. So, the shortcut, you can call it medicure. Is my leg dirty? No.
It's like this.
Is it dirty?
You're still making noise in that.
Is it fit? Okay. If my wife will say, wash your leg. My wife will be telling me that I should wash my leg.
Before you climb the bed.
No, he said, anytime if I enter the bathroom, I should make sure I rub sponge on my leg.
And then she's right. A lot of times, men don't pay attention to those things at all. You just enter inside bathroom, use soap, use sponge, chaka, and then come outside. Then when the woman goes to go and take her bath, then you are still bathing till now. What are you even washing? What's that? Take your time and bath.
Sometimes she will say, go on. Your teeth used to be washed, they used to be white. What happened? Yeah,
I
she
use
go
sponge.
and wash. Just make sure you brush my mouth very well. I have to do it to.
Yeah, what's that in here? You sleep outside or look you outside.
Yeah, the family is fine, man. The family is fine. So, sometimes me, I don't like wasting time in the bathroom. Once I go, I just spray water on my body, pour, then use soap, then just.
Right sometimes, now is when mothers used to beat children.
Sometimes I don't even like washing. Using the same rubbing cream.
So,
That's why if I buy cream now, I'll use it for like
1 year. 1
1
year.
year.
Yeah, the screen.
Because anytime I want to rub my cream,
You rub on here on their leg and their hand.
I will just rub on my hand, rub on my neck. You know? That's what I do. In case you're watching me, that's my lifestyle. I'm just telling you. There's nothing to hide. That's me. I don't know about you, but I'm just talking about myself. You know that women were busy, so we don't have time to do all those or rishi.
I'm not serious.
It's just something that you just do sharp and leave the place. For me.
It can be very, very annoying, please.
And me, I don't used to rub cream on my face.
The man finished dressing here and is waiting for you, but they'll start hurrying you. You have not finished. Haven't you finished?
Me too, I do it too. That's it.
Oh, babe.
I said, let's go now. What? Is it not just to rub cream and leave? But women, no. Women, that your thing is too much.
It's not too much. It's just people that don't know how to manage our time.
Because sometimes I will just allow my wife to go and take her bath, take her time, maybe like 7 to 5 or maybe 10 minutes or 30 minutes before I will go.
Yeah.
So,
It's nice like that. Let peace reign.
so that I will meet up with the time.
Let's not start rushing somebody.
Sometimes just they will waste time in the bathroom. But we guys, no. I like our way.
Inside the bathroom and start singing stupid songs.
I like my way. We guys, we love our ways. Please, if you are new here, subscribe or like
Follow.
and share. Comment, let me know where you're watching from.
And how you prefer to stay in the bathroom.
Yeah.
If they are right or not. Between men and women, who waste time much?
It's women now.
Yeah.
But you know some guys say, what? If they enter the bathroom,
They're not so.
you'll be begging them to come outside.
Jesus, my other brother enter bathroom here, man. They must be very meticulous with details.
Some guys, you'll be begging them.
Do it, sir. Just come outside.
For some of us, sharp.
No, one time like that, you do about to take his birthday. As soon as I never see about you, oh yeah, please come on.
No need to argue.
That's why I was praying.
Start going to where you have to go to. If not, they're waiting for them to leave the bathroom. Hey, wait.
Come get it. This is getting. Come on, you're killing his arm. Get this figure. I used to see that on Facebook.
Yeah.
You're killing him.
I think return to those dance services. I don't know. So what's the name of that food? Adiado Johnson.
Yeah. Na killing you for that, you know. I didn't got cheese. Lucky me. Where are you watching from? Somebody should say I'm watching from here. So that I'll know who you are and who is watching me. Yeah, so I'm doing my
Self-care.
self-care services.
Don't be like
Pedicure and manicure. That is right at this time. It's kind of a rare treatment. So now I can stand up.
like to come out get you.
Yeah. And it's normal now. My leg is doing well. My leg is doing well, doing well, doing well. Let's know where you're watching from. I travel to make videos, and someone just invited me to give me the pedicure and the manicure.
Our celebrity photographer.
And so that's why I'm here. So my next video, I will give them shout out, like, oh, they're the sponsor of this video. Abby?
Of course. Of course.
Yeah, so that's that. I just finished eating my granite. I know my viewers, they like it when I'm eating my food and then making my videos.
Is this your first one for the year?
For the year. Is it yes or no? I can't remember. It's been a long time, so I can't remember. You know, I don't keep record of those things. We never finish. Sometimes I will have plenty of people watching me and nobody will be saying anything. They'll just be looking at me.
Why are people like that, sir?
No, sometimes they don't want to talk. Are you, is it anytime you're watching somebody on live video, you comment?
I always comment.
You always comment.
I have not even watched anybody on this thing, but I know if I see a post I like, I'm liking, I'm commenting.
Some people will like it. Some people will like it, but they will not even comment. So say, so I used to watch you. You know, I used to watch your videos. You see, I used to watch your videos.
You know how important it is to write, follow, and comment.
So when you say you used to watch my videos, say, somebody did not comment now.
I'll tell you that brand new name of Jesus.
For what?
Monitoring spirits.
So now this thing that you're doing now, how long is it going to last? This
Self-care. Depending, if you at this time they are go like all these women that go to bush market. Depending on the weather and the kind of activity you indulge in. The environment and the rest.
And you?
And your personality.
Yes.
You know my leg is heavy.
You know, this is my last two for like a month and a half.
Yeah.
You are into tea again now.
I wish you were at I need to make a video of you really done. Call your mother, man, if she's going to the front tomorrow. Not sure.
Someone that said they should bring her to from the house.
But you don't like feel like people are just moving away from using firewood.
Honestly,
You go to the village and you see people using gas, using charcoal. So what happened to firewood?
smoke
Okay, because of the smoke.
and stress, yeah.
But you know, firewood is. But sometimes you that just within the this is. No, but I'm not going to chocolate bar. She call with your friend was told.
Done.
Thank you. Hey, just
Aish, smoke.
Sometimes when you stand up, you'll be doing like this.
Just
You'll be feeling
that
dizzy.
thing in your head.
Ah, God. Village life.
And somebody will be somewhere shouting, boy, I'm going to be a guy.
Now, well, if I'm around, I'll just do it. I'll go and stay in the village for like 2 days.
Yeah, do village lifestyle.
Yes, just live in the village like 2 days. And I'll change my clothes to. I'll just buy normal clothes and then be wearing. That's the kind of content I will do next. That will be fine.
The village content.
Yes.
You see now he's here to get a village house.
I can travel now. It's not travel that I travel from Makudi to here. But I want to do the video in Benue. I don't want to do it. Anywhere. I don't want to do it. Just go there. They'll give me a thatch house. And then I will sleep in that thatch house. With the kind of bed they're using.
Yeah.
But I'll find a way to protect myself from mosquitoes.
Very important.
I'm not going to die because I want to make content.
Yeah,
No.
content.
I will carry my mosquito repellent, yeah. All those things to fight them because
I'm only want that for the witches.
no, the wishes they will not come near me. No, even if they will not try. You die before you come. So that, I think that would be a good content. What do you think? What do you think about that, guys? I'll go in the village. I'll go with my camera guy, charge our batteries, and then I'll just make everything local. Eat the food, go to fetch water. Yeah. Yeah. Swim. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Should I do this here on this my journey? I don't have enough money. Right?
On which journey? I've been here in Boko.
And
Can you get somewhere with that location of streaming?
yeah, I will have to go to like Ushongu and all those places. I can even do it in my own village.
So your grandfather is still around?
Oh,
Your grandfather?
yes.
Your father?
It's around though. I'll just take somebody with me then. Quick or something. No, pass. And you are doing your job, me too, I'm doing my job. You're hustling your hustle, me too, I'm hustling my hustle.
There's hustling something.
Yeah guys, look at my finger. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, clean. Thank you, Empress's Affairs, for this wonderful treat. Everyone knows how white you were.
Which one?
Funny. Tell them about how you put a hand.
Let me pick your mother's cup, please.
Which one pick your mother's?
Be careful, spacing phone.
Pick our mommy's cup.
Oh, we are fighting.
Fighter.
Why did you stop?
So guys, thank you so much for watching. And do you think I should do that village content? Okay, on my next live video I'll ask a question. Then if I see answers, I'll do it. If you think I should do the content of me going to the village, staying for like 2 days, living my life in the village, going to the stream to fetch water, eat, just a full coverage of the whatever. If you think it's a good idea, let me see your hand in the comment section so that we can work towards it. You can even sponsor the video. Me going to the village, spending some time, like 2 days in the village. Day one, experience the food and what we face in the village. That's a travel vlog. You know, that's one thing about content. You need money to create content. See this one now. If I want to do, I have to travel, and the person I'm traveling with, give the person money for, yeah, feeding and all of that. Get all those stuffs. We'll get there. Who will sponsor me? Or who will sponsor me? Who will sponsor me? The Empresses. Can you sponsor me? I'll say this video is sponsored by Empresses Affairs, where you can do your manicure, pedicure, and luxurious life. Is it? Okay. Luxurious jewelries and nail technician and all the beauty. Here is all about beauty. Maybe they will sponsor this video. Please, you sponsor this video. See you. See? Look at those luxurious rings. West bean. Is it West bean or West chain? This one, you that like putting on your waist. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at all those rings. Handband. You know? Look at earrings. You know? So many things. Beautiful things. So, you sponsor. You sponsor.
I'm sweating. And I have sweat things in my body.
Yeah, what?
I say I'm sweating and I have sweat things in my body.
So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.